Alright, so I'm back here, another day in Canada. Right now, we're waiting for a bus to take us to Niagara Falls. And I got my little breakfast here. This place is really expensive. Oh my god. Alright, you guys, as you guys can see, I am on a tour right now. I'm on a bus. Here's Niagara Falls. Okay, you guys, so right now we're gonna go in Cave the Winds. We're actually later on in this tour, I'm gonna go on a boat and actually like get wet on this ride. But I'm gonna do everything to record for this tour. Let's see what this has in store for us. Little quick view here, you guys. The tower right there. Look at this. This is where the fireworks took place. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Look at the rainfall. Yeah, we about to get wet. Look at this. I'm gonna let you guys look at this. Oh my gosh. Right now we're gonna go through the waterfalls. That's about to be lit. The GoPro's getting wet. Right, good thing the GoPro's waterproof, because if it wasn't, oh my gosh, I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. I can't think you guys see. Look at all this. Oh my gosh, it's dripping. Oh my gosh. Luckily the screen's not getting wet. Make sure we aren't dead. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, guys, I can't even, guys, I cannot even see. Oh my gosh! Look how much water there's. I don't think you guys can tell how much this is. Come here. Hey, we gotta stay here a little bit longer. Okay, the GoPro is soaked. Thank gosh the GoPro's waterproof, because I want to be able to record as well. Okay guys, right now we're on the boat. We had to wait a humongous line up there for us to get there, but just so you know, that's USS, that's Canada, and now here's the entire boat ride. Okay guys, so the boat is moving right now. Yeah, and you get one on this ride too. See that little red bridge right there? That's where we were before. Wow, so much water. Thank gosh this GoPro's waterproof. Thank gosh for that. I apologize for the audio. There's so much wind, you can't even see the sky right now. Hold on to the GoPro. Hey, come camera. And just like that, you guys, we've left the falls. That was fun, and once again the GoPro is soaked. Just so you guys know, that's USA, that's Canada, that's the borderline. We're on the borderline. And that was my second day in Canada. I actually did enjoy the boat ride. I got soaked, including the GoPro. Also, another thing I want to point out here, you know my GoPro selfie stick I made? Yeah, about that. Selfie stick broke. Yeah, but don't worry, I'll find a way to fix it, but I hope you guys enjoyed the second day. I will post the third day. I believe that's the last one tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna try to fix this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, leave a like and subscribe down below and hit the bell notifications so you don't miss out on anything. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.